next year.
Yes.
Co-producing it with them. And I also have some films that we're working on. But main focus for next year would be the TV series. And of course a movie. I want to release another movie by end of next year sana.
Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Ana. Sino po ang ating susunod na magtatanong? Yes, ma'am.
Hello po, good evening. So, ito po from News 5. Yan, for all the cast po, nabanggit po kanina ni Miss MJ na you do the pagpag. I don't know kung bakit yung ginagawa nyo po. Yes, pagpag. No? So, for all the cast, is there an instance na pag-uwi nyo po from Taiwan, here in the Philippines, meron ba kayong something na naramdaman na strange? Baka ba may nadala kayo papunta dito sa Pilipinas, diba? Meron po bang pagkakataon na gano'n?
Ibigay lahat yung mic kay Alexa.